So we have ourselves a new spot, and we have the Sketer now with a 15-tooth pinion. No changes to the diff, but I can already tell that this is going to be a lot more fun. I've got some Proline MX28s on there, and I can hear that center diff screaming. This needs a center diff change. But I can see that I'm going to have a little bit more control in the air. Oh! I wasn't paying attention then. Didn't realise that was going to hit the sidewall there. It's alright, she's good. Let's see. This is a new spot, so I'm not familiar to where I really should be standing or what I should be doing. I can see there's obviously a lot more control there. There is a big jump just behind me, which I'm hoping we can do some big sends on. Actually, let's see if we can do a big run up and do a big jump off that and sort of jump just there. Alright. Let's see what damage we can cause here. Yeah, tyres and the bigger pinion definitely help. And I can see that we were going to be able to do some backflips finally. Lots of air control now, really good. There's our first backflip. Good thing about this spot is that it's quite open. You can do some pretty big run-ups, and there's actually quite a bit of shade as well, which I like, so I don't have to stand out in the middle of the hot sun. Oh! This thing is going to get absolutely destroyed here today. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? This thing is nuts. Definitely needs thicker diff oil in the center. Oh my god, oh, this thing is nuts. That poor center diff is absolutely screaming. Now with some grippier tires, well, I tell you what, takes out the tree as well, no problem. Jeez. Yes. This thing is mental. 15-tooth for the win. That is the way that it should be. I reckon it's got more to give though. I actually just saw a video with RC Dude 81, and he used a 16-tooth and he tuned the center diff, which I think that's what I'm probably going to have to do. I might even push it to 17 and just see if stay upright. Oh, you legend. Oh, I should have held it. Uh-oh. We've lost throttle. I wonder if the motor's cooked. Let's go have a look. Okay, so as I suspected, the motor is absolutely roasting, which is a bit of a shame. I wonder though Why that is, because RC Dude was using, he's on a 16 tooth and it managed okay. I'm using a 15, and just in this little short run, the motor is like, you could fry an egg on that. That is absolutely roasting. So it may pay to maybe install that fan in the back here. I don't know. I thought maybe we could push this a little bit harder, but just with the 15 tooth, and I haven't even done the center diff, this thing is already roasting as it is. So I'm going to give it a few minutes. I'm going to let it cool, and we'll come back and finish this run.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I've let my truck cool down a bit. Still running a 15 tooth pinion. Everything is the same as before. Let's see how long we can run it for before it actually cuts out. I think I need to get on this side. Whee! It's going to go in the bushes. I need to get on this side here just so I can see where it's landing. That front bumper, by the way, is jiggling around, in case you see it jiggling around, because you can see it's detached itself. It's only being held on by the outer bracing. This center one here is completely broken, so I may just end up taking it off, to be honest. It's really doing nothing there. It's good for if you want to run LEDs in there, I suppose, but for bashing it just gets in the way, I think. Unless they reinforce that a little bit better. Stay upright. Oh yes. Damn, this thing is insane. I was just driving the Kronos XTR, and this feels just as fast, if not even a bit faster. I think it's that motor, because it's 3100, what is it? 2150 kV. 2150 kV, I think. I think it's 2150 kV? Yeah. Yes, just really look at it. Whee. Let's go. Let's see if I can do a wind up here. Definitely needs that center diff tune, because these front tires are ballooning way too much and it's hard to pop wheelie still with it. Just big sends. Big sends. Let's go through the center here. Right towards us, let's go. I anchored the brakes, hoping it would front flip, and it landed right on its roof. Thankfully, the cushioning... Oh no, hang on, we've done some damage. Yeah, the rear shock tower is completely buckled. It actually had a bend in it before, and now I can see that it's proper bent. Let's have a look. It might still be alright to run. Yeah, so you see both of these posts have been bent inwards. So this kind of needs like a 70-75 shock tower or something like that. Or if you're not going to bash this hard, leave it as is. My ESC fan is not working. Usually that's supposed to be on. I wonder if maybe that's what happened last time and it just thermal shut down, because the fan stopped working. Alright, you know what, I'm going to call it, because I don't want to set fire to this thing, and the motor's probably, yeah, motor's already getting hot. ESC fan's not working for some reason, and I think we've gone on long enough, plus my car is now damaged. So let's call it here, and we'll come back another day with a better center diff tune. Maybe I'll change something else out, and yeah, just see how we go. But overall, I mean, it's a tough truck. I'm being a little careless because I'm really pushing this thing to try and see what gives. Now the ESC is cut out, or the ESC fan's not working because maybe it's got a rock in there, maybe it blew out, whatever the case may be. The 15 tooth pinion on a hot day like today, which is almost 30 degrees, You know, that's obviously creating a bit of an issue on the motor, and it's overheating. And I just don't want to push this too far to the point where something's going to catch fire and I'm going to have to replace the electrics anyway. So I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.